Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Honorable Dr. Wiberi Bami, of River Southeast, please come to the front stage.
Excellency, when I first came here, I was a bit surprised when I was handed a broom, until I now saw the umbrellas and I was relieved. So let me dispatch of the broom first.
When I left PDP for APC, the party chairman saw me and said, "You will come back." I said I will not come back. But when I entered APC and I was there 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, nothing came out.
Not so.
I didn't know what to do. I'm dying of poverty here. In fact, now there is BP and almost cancer coming. He said no, he won't get to that level. So I'm happy today that I'm back to my original family.
That's so. Your Excellency, today is not a speech-making day. But I want to say that I've just left the land where we take aspirin, Panadol, codeine. It's time to get healthy. Your Excellency, in the last 6 years, we have been in the wilderness. We were promised change. But I must say that we did not find change in a jail. We have found our way out of the wilderness. We have stumbled upon light. And we have found development partners. That development partner is the PDP.
For some time we left and we are back to our house. Very grateful for all what you have done for this state. I will assist you. God bless you.
As the chairman of all chairmen of the AAC in River State, we have tried. 2019, we fought, we lost to the end of River State politics. 2021, local government election, we fought, we lost again, we cannot lose again. We have decided to join the winning team. We want to be part of it. Let's be taken like the prodigal son, and we are back. We are back to our home.
Thank you. I'm not surprised with what's happening today or what has happened before. All those that have returned to the party know that they have been deceived. I have no grudges against anybody. All of us own PDP. But everybody will be responsible. Leaders must meet. Everybody must participate. And then we'll take a decision. It can be those who are just coming now. You never can tell. Nobody can say that because you came in yesterday or because you came in today, you are not entitled. It's a lie. Everybody is entitled. Now, so as far as the PDP concerned, so all of you, let us work together. Nigeria has failed. APC has failed Nigeria. I continue to tell them, let the APC reverse the court. Let them challenge us. Let them tell them what the federal government has done for the people of River State. As you go home, go happily. Challenge anybody. I'm a member of PDP. Now so, start from all the party chairmen in the local government, all these people who came back today, you must bring them into the inner caucus of the party. And at the state level too, I assure you that when I remain as the governor, all of you will be part of the caucus of the party at the level you have attained. When we are making appointments, all of you will be considered and put where it's necessary. But everybody cannot get at the same time. All of you should try and do whatever you can to keep our party united, work together, but not as you can. I don't want any division in any of the local government. If there is, you help to put the party together. I thank you very much for all your support, for the time you have spent here waiting for us. That shows that indeed you still love PDP, that indeed you are still committed to PDP.
Inside the Niger Delta,